Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Pacer Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the wristband on this watch. First we need to grab our watch and flip it around. So let's grab it and flip it around. And here we have the wristbands. We have the one and the second one, and they're held together by this pin right here. We have the pin on this wristband and the pin on this wristband. And to take them off, we need to first remove the pins. To do it, I recommend to use some kind of pin or something flat that you can basically pry here between the wristband and the pin. And basically what we need to do is to push out the pin out. So I recommend not to put any tension on the wristband. Just hold the watch like this. Let me actually move this to the side so you can see the pin. I'm gonna insert this pin in between the pin right here and the wristband, and I'm gonna try to slowly work it out. And at some point rather, it will pop out. It went flying actually. Let me find it quickly. It is right here, and that's how the pin looks like after we take it out, like this. Here we have it, and the wristband is free now, and we can take it out. Let's do the same for the second one. I recommend to be careful when you're trying to pry it out, because sometimes you need to struggle a little. I recommend to play with it, try to push it slowly, and it's gonna get out. It's gonna pop off, but don't try to push too hard because you might break something. So be careful and just be patient, and after some time it will pop out like this. And here we have it. There's the second pin and there's the second wristband. So that's how you remove them. And once you get the new ones that you want to put on, you just put them on like this. You take the pin, you insert the pin into the hole on the wristband. Give me a second. I'm just gonna move this. Place the wristband on the watch. You need to place it on this hinge basically, like that. Okay. Take the pin and you insert it into this hole right here, and then push it in till the end until it clicks rather, like that. And now the pin is in and it's holding the wristband. It's the same for the other one. So put the band on the watch like that. Get the pin, insert it into a hole like this, rotate it to the right orientation like that, and then push it in till the end, till it clicks. And here we have it. Now it's holding. Okay, and that's how you change the wristband on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.